When choosing a battery-powered crimper, several factors warrant careful consideration. These include capacity, handle design, weight, accessibility, and battery life. Capacity refers to the maximum wire size and American wire gauge, or AUG, that the crimper can handle. It is important to determine the largest wire size you will typically be crimping to ensure the tool meets your needs. Greenlee's Gator G2X crimps from 10 to 1000 mcm American wire gauge. The Super Gator crimps up to 1500 mcm American wire gauge. The Panhead Gator crimps 10 to 750 mcm American wire gauge. Thomas & Betts EC5000 crimps from 10 to 500 mcm American wire gauge. The EC7500 crimps up to 750 mcm American wire gauge. The EC10000 handles up to 1000 mcm American wire gauge. The handle design plays a crucial role in user comfort and reducing fatigue, especially during prolonged use. Look for a crimper with an ergonomic handle that fits comfortably in your hand and allows for a secure grip. Weight is another important consideration, particularly when working at heights. Battery-powered crimpers can be heavy, so opting for a lightweight model can significantly reduce strain and improve maneuverability. Accessibility is key when working in tight spaces or panels. A crimper with a swivel head or low-profile design can provide better access to wires in difficult-to-reach areas. Battery life is also critical. Ensure the crimper has a long-lasting battery or the ability to operate on alternating current or AC power to avoid interruptions during work. Considering specific models, the Greenlee Gator G2X is known for being compact and easy to use in tight spaces, with a rotating head that proves invaluable. The Thomas & Betts EC5000 is favored for its lightweight design and reliable performance, featuring a swivel head for convenient access to wires in various orientations. The Greenlee Super Gator stands out for its power and ease of handling, making it suitable for larger cables and demanding applications. The Greenlee Gator G2X crimps 10 to 1000 mcm American wire gauge. The Super Gator crimps up to 1500 mcm American wire gauge. The Panhead Gator crimps 10 to 750 mcm American wire gauge. Thomas & Betts EC5000 crimps from 10 to 500 mcm American wire gauge. The EC7500 crimps up to 750 mcm American wire gauge. The EC10000 handles up to 1000 mcm American wire gauge. In summary, carefully evaluate capacity, handle design, weight, accessibility, and battery life to select a battery-powered crimper that best suits your specific needs and work environment.